What's up, guys? Before the video got started, I just wanted to say there will be a little confusion in part of the video. For one, I was filming solo, so I kind of didn't get to do everything I wanted to do with the hunt, but it's one of my favorite hunts of all year. And what had happened was I had a turkey hung up at 200 yards across the field from me. And so there's a little bit of gap in time where I'm sitting down calling from across the field, and then the turkey's across from me, and then the next sequence, it is actually I'm in the woods with it. So what had happened was I was calling that turkey, wouldn't come any closer, it was hung up, so I had to make about a 15-minute walk around the field to get into the other patch of woods without getting busted. During that time, I forgot to max record on my camera. I was trying to be as stealthy as possible, and once you miss that shot, you don't have it. So I hope you still enjoy the video. It was an exciting hunt. Like I said, it was completely solo, no one helping me. So I hope you find it somewhat entertaining. If you do, please like and subscribe. It helps me out knowing I'm doing an okay job. So thank you again, and please enjoy. Alright, so it's the last weekend in Alabama turkey season. It ends in the middle of this week. I've only killed one turkey this year. I've seen 4 die, but that doesn't count toward my tags. So I've only killed one this year. I'm hoping, I haven't got to hunt as much as I'd like to, but and the times I did hunt, either poor weather or just nothing happening. So I roosted one last night, and I'm hoping I can get remotely close to him. I'm not 100% sure if he was on the property or not. I couldn't get close enough to tell. There's not much woods the neighbor owns right there, so hopefully I can get close enough, at least hunting that patch of woods, and it'll be fine. So if I can get to there, I should be good. And hopefully he didn't do anything crazy last night. That we had a big storm come through, so hopefully he didn't move. I don't think he would have, but storms have been screwing me up all spring, so we'll see. But hopefully everything works out, and hopefully we'll have one down pretty early this morning.
I know I didn't get it on film. Dang. That dang thing skirted to my left or right. I shot through a gap about that big. I worked for that one. I probably walked 10 miles, feels like. Not really, but I've walked a bunch. And I ended up killing it right next to the truck. That turkey gobbled, I'm sure, probably 50 times. It never would come closer, and I was just about to move, and I heard it gobble within 25 yards of me. And it actually swung over to my right. And it swung over my right and actually seen me. I just had to swing over real quick and shoot. Ended up working out. Decent beard. About 1 inch spurs, 1.8 inches, give or take. Man, what a hunt. That was awesome.